the full central bank, the full aviation, the full everywhere. Why? How long? How many years ago? But today, it never reached 2 years now. It never reached 2 years. They don't feel it. Never reached 4 years. They go feel it. Their days are numbered. I'm telling you, because Nigeria don't go a long way. We don't to suffer under them. Can you imagine? See the vision under Buhari now. See the vision now. To the essence that Buhari wanted to give a land for the whole forest for Nigeria. Make cow they pass. Make flying house when they pass your farm. Make they kill her. You say Nigeria don't oppose. Don't you understand? We oppose and they stop it. It manifests. No, but he wanted to manifest. Open grazing. All your forests must be roads for other flying to pass by fire by force. You don't agree? Executed. But no, the U.S. said no. This one don't pass boundary. We don't agree. And we don't agree. How we go agree? We can't agree. But now, all those on a past story, a new relief will come. But when you go make your Gabon really get the massive support. We are seeing the particles of the doing, but we'll chop food accordingly. Oh, bless you. See, there's a language of reconstruction. You understand? You see, Nigeria have been wanting for it. All Nigeria wants equal right of justice, balanced equation between the Yoruba and the Hausa, the Fulani. But long time ago, till now, it's like it's falling on a deaf ear. But now, it's like the story is now growing. You see, there must be a balanced situation. You see, somebody will go primary school, you will go university. The people that go primary school don't get authority passing for inside banking or inside any occupation in Nigeria. You understand? Because of what? Because they are there. But now somebody is not there, which is not their color. You understand? So they don't feel like betrayed. It's not a betrayal. If they feel that it's a part of injustice to them, they can go to anywhere. But the deal is welcome development for all Nigeria to feel. Can you imagine somebody when not go anywhere, come be your guy, you want to go somewhere, you know be your guy. The full central bank, the full aviation, the full everywhere. Why? How long? How many years ago? But today, it never reached 2 years now. It never reached 2 years, they don't feel it. Never reached 4 years, they go feel it. But come 2027, if the Tinubu should change the policy of hungry, because this hungry, we will not to import food, open border, make food day. A poor man will know say yes, you are doing right thing. Because now, majority of us when we say we, now few of us will see get that learned article. Just the question when you ask now, if you don't learn, if you don't understand the scenario of what is happening before, you will not know that this man is really doing equation balance. So that one now, APC start to say, Tinubu use brain for them because it don't take when they put Nigeria for pocket. Let's lose the zip. Let's air enter inside the zip. If air enter, everybody go feel warm. Not like this. So to me, to majority of Nigeria, we are happy with that development. The other time I say let's relocate to Lagos. I will say if you want to do ordinary passport, Abuja. If you want to do anything, Abuja. If you want to do anything, Abuja. Why Abuja? Why? See, nobody like Abuja, they exist. We have Lagos, we have Port Harcourt, we have Owerri, we have Akwa Ibom, we have different places. So let us distribute the manhood, let us distribute the knowledge. Everybody have knowledge. So not be only one place. And if you watch the film, they don't have knowledge more than us. They just have that capacity of saying and they're there on throne. But now the throne is not with them anymore. So they have to shout. If you like me, shout. When Buhari did there, before Buhari did themselves, all of them everywhere in Nigeria, na Yakandede. Na Bawo, they are afraid. You see, the table don't change. The table don't change. It's like things fall apart. Things are fall apart to their own department. That's why they are crying wolf. Whether you cry to tomorrow, the Kabal will know. He go face you, now back go dey cry. You can't he no be anybody godfather. He be godfather on his own. Understand? Nobody is gonna say he don't do that so person. But the only one thing we go do, let Nigeria see the reality of living. Because when we see it, much support will come. If you change the document, put fuel like 500 or 300, fuel make a corner like 200. Transportation cheap, food stuff will cheap, everything go cheap, Nigeria go leave. Nigeria go happy say, go on! And that one is coming gradually. So we have to first dismantle the element of the occupation, the money occupation. Now their time has come to an end. They won't surrender. And they will carry back and waka. You don't do anything. You, other later, you go put you for sale. You go stop. One day, who dey for one place, they will do our shop, just our shop. One small radio just did there, one small radio just did there. I just dey give you some brutality, some injustice wey those people don't commit. Small radio just dey for that place. We don't even know who get am. We just play say na one of us. We just play all small radio till they hear. When they hear news, but we one Fulani man don come. You say, they will carry police come. Say na here, they see that radio for one place. Na here they carry. Play. They carry me and my boss. That place where we sit down with the play. We go area. Play. Who's that? I tell you. You see some boys rubber for front there. They in one cross small children. Before you know, they don't clap and bang. They don't cry back. Say you know, see them again. When they pass now, you see that radio. Now you don't see one of the boys. Don't run away. Before you know what happened, police were not afraid. You see that radio. They call. They monitor your gas. Say farm. Say car when they carry from Sokoto, they go about so one don't die. So one don't die. Go communicate. Did you know what happened? Police change the matter. We pay 10,000 naira. Because you don't make sure say your guy and police Fulani. So their days are numbered. I'm telling you, because Nigeria don't go a long way. We don't to suffer under them. Can you imagine? See the vision under Buhari now. See the vision now. To the essence that Buhari wanted to give a land for the whole forest for Nigeria. Make cow they pass. Make flying house for the pass your farm. Make they kill her. You say Nigeria don't oppose. Don't you understand? We oppose and they stop it. It manifests. No, but he wanted to manifest. Open grazing. All your forests must be roads for other flying to pass by fire by force. You don't agree? Executed. But no, the U.S. said no. This is not pass boundary. We don't agree. And we don't agree. How we go agree? We can't agree. But now, all those on a past story, a new relief will come. But when you go make your Gabon really get the massive support, we are seeing the particles of the doing, but we'll chop food accordingly. We are hungry. Right. Confirm. First, let food come down. Especially petrol will come down, transporters will come down, all those things will come down. See, person will say, yes, you are doing things. But now, nobody cares whether you do 100 years something. When person when they hungry, no know anybody. Who stop the phone and go listen, it's okay, you are doing things. If you 1,000 and everything can chop, I will come listen, say government exists. Government exists.
Okay, Oluwa. This AP chieftain Garros Gololo is one of Tinubu's critics. He always yab Tinubu well, for not. But you don't come and talk say we are one, no, make Tinubu remember say we one. But people don't come and talk say when Buhari dey there, Buhari just dey carry Fulani, they put everywhere. But this time now, we don't see everything happen to as regards CBN and the location of aviation to the west and to the east and to the eastern part of Nigeria. Do you think that Tinubu is being fair by doing this, by shifting, by restructuring?
That system is totally being fair. You can't just put one thing for one place. They chop on many hands. They get water for the area, no. They get oil, no. They get what you know. Because say they get korofo, they get gone. But now things have changed. Yesterday when Buhari did why you no para? It para no, because that time they chop 24 hours. Now it dey para. The attack would blow. The air is now blowing. I never even blow. It go blow off the command. When they blow off the command, we now say yes, we are really. See, the battle lies on us, but the president must start it. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The president must start it, and we are seeing the particles of what he's doing. But because of the hunger in the land, majority don't even want to hear. So he must erase that poverty first. Because we are happy with what is happening, but we are not happy generally. Now the para, why the para yesterday? When Buhari did the election, I go different place, they give money, they chop money, they enter private jet now. The para, tire now, the para for me. Why the para for Jakaba?
he say come 2027.
Na zero.
He say the CBN. He say Olayemi Cardozo and Tinubu we are flushing them out.
They go flush them out. But how will they flush them out? See, if the policy of the government continue in this level of suffering and smiling, it's possible because Nigeria will revoke against the government. Because Nigeria can't withstand this suffering till that time. I'm telling you, frankly speaking, whether it for sure you come up everywhere, but if they don't continue, nobody will believe in his story. Because let minimize the situation, then they will believe your story. Because change the faith, renew hope the faith. But now we don't know what you want to bring anymore. All faith, all faith, all faith. Just it's like just you see now. Before you know, now you're going to buy coke for 1,000. It's not positive situation. Bring it down their wing. Come on, man, don't know the meaning of bring it down. Come on, be window. Come on, man, don't know this thing when they talk for you. Come on, man, no one know whether you are in 90 for bank, I be 90 for aviation, I be don't share them. Come on, man, is waiting in go top this morning and in the evening when come back for work. If we even see work go, even see money to enter motor because motor now don't increase. So all those are the common amenity for the common man. If those ones should be done, the rest will be the story. The rest will be story. And I believe that according to what is happening now, because we now know that the majority of Nigeria, they live in Lagos, and Hausa food and Lagos will come. So they shortcome the food. Even though the Hausa themselves, they are even suffering there. Because of who are ruling them. Things are changed. Things fall apart. Things fall apart. Never 2 years, things don't fall apart. We already 3 years ago, only 4 years ago. So I'm praying that things will get better out of this situation. Because we are praying for the betterness of you and I. Where we have freedom of speech, where we have freedom of movement. Not somebody will be afraid the night. When you get farm, cow can swallow and destroy. You don't limit now. It's limited now. Before it rampant, the man is not in the throne anymore. So you see the other one say fire them. He give order. Now another 6 months, he get illness, he die. Another one will come again. So it's a continuity, and I believe the stoppage is coming. I can be more many days for village. They just say Fulanis many days. People talk to now. When we are this small people come for our grandma house for village. When they go farm from here, go farm for you. You go trek, go there. Women go, girls go. Everybody come. No police, don't anything. Nobody rape, nobody religion. But now, why? That gender must be eliminated. Not to take over Nigeria. But in our pocket.
So what's your take as the Fulani invading Oyo last week? You know, we saw Governor Makinde crying. These people,
let them take the bull by the horn. See, let them stand up for their rights. See, don't let them just be shouting. Let Ghanaian dam. See, already can fall of Yoruba land. Let things emerge. They are brothers. They let them be. Don't let anyone separate them. See, they are one. You see, the first and foremost is to protect your environment, your atmosphere. So protect it. Don't wait for Aso Rock. Aso Rock will even penetrate there because they are there. See, don't let them kill people before you're not shouting. Occupy your land, vigilante, enter. See, why that's why I give kudos to the late Akeredolu. See, he saw it, and he said, no, I can never wait for them. Let me form my own security guarded Amotekun. He formed it, and they were progressive till today. Before it was key, but at the end, let us go beyond that. We have the capacity to checkmate those people. They are not spirits. They are human beings like us. If they fight to fight, we could do them. And now we go do them. Because I believe Yoruba no go close their eye, may they kill all of them. It can't possible. It's a possibility. Because those days, the days have come. You see, the light has come at the end of the tunnel. Our eye now don't really open wide. We will chase them out. See, those say the other day, they kidnap some people for trade. Boys enter forest. Boys enter forest. Ibinu enter forest. People perish there. They rescue the people. They kill those people. They bury them there. You see the counter attack. Angry, no pity, no mercy. They will run. They want to disappear. Follow them disappear. See, let us be truthful. The days have come to an end where they go suppress and oppress us anyhow. Okay. Days has come to an end. Thank you.
In Nigeria, I was hearing, bring Simon Ekpa home. Let him face consequences of his act. Let him face the law. Bring him home. They were acting as if, are we lion? Are we waiting to devour him? It's not the solution. Because if it was the solution, since they arrested him and the car, has the agitation stopped? Don't see agitator, a person that is agitating for freedom, you open fire. No, it doesn't work. You can use diplomacy, you can use high political level strategy to meet the person, to see if you can, come up with their requirements, to see if that their problem or the motive that pushed them to that agitation can be solved.
Seeing that Ekpa is doing the right thing, that in no distant time the world will live to see Ekpa in full light. What is your take as regards this?
Freedom fighters have their way of doing things. Governments can make them angry, leaders can make them angry, and they will be also angry. So when they are calling them terrorists, they can call also those who are calling them terrorists. So they will be exchanging words, will I call it word of insult? I cannot say Mr. President is a terrorist. No, I can't say it. At the same time, there was something I was saying before. I was saying that when you see a freedom fighter, don't go and will I say, don't go and meet him with a gun. Don't start to fight him with a gun. Don't go with brutality. Don't go with violence to a freedom fighter. If you are a good politician, call that freedom fighter. Invite the freedom fighter on a round table. That's what I was saying. And discuss. If you convince him, good. If you don't convince him, his agitation will continue. That is it. So, Ngozi Orabeze calling Mr. President a terrorist is because also so many leaders are saying they are terrorists, and they're telling them we are not terrorists. And now that Finland have treated the matter, I know they haven't finished with it. Simon Ekpa maybe will still go to court, but they didn't. So many people among them that they released is because they didn't find them guilty. So, but in Nigeria, I was hearing, bring Simon Ekpa home. Let him face consequences of his act. Let him face the law. Bring him home. They were acting as if, are we lion? Are we waiting to devour him? It's not the solution. Because if it was the solution, since they arrested him and the car, has the agitation stopped? No. It is still on. If they arrest Simon Ekpa, the agitation will still continue. It means you can't quench a fire burning with fire burning. You would have called them, invite everybody on a round table. Then if you invite Simon Ekpa in Nigeria now, he will never come. So why not look for a neutral area, a neutral land, a neutral country? Why not even meet him there? Why not have a round table? You see, many people are saying until today that our unity was that Britain used power to unite Nigeria. They didn't consult us before uniting us. Many people are saying it today. They didn't meet every tribe, group by group, and ask for their consentment before they unite Nigeria. They just unite Nigeria for their own interest. So now that some people are kicking against that unity, because some people are saying in North they are tired of Nigeria. In Yoruba land, some are saying they are tired of Nigeria. Then Biafrans have been agitating since, will I say, more than 50 years today. They are agitating. So it means the tribe are almost tired. If you see now, Tinubu is in power. He brought what he called tax reform bill. Northerners are kicking against it. It's not Yorubans or Igbos that are kicking against. It is Northerners that are kicking against it, and yeah, they are kicking against it. But all other people are not. Even self, some of them are saying instead of that, let Nigeria be split. So it means that there is no really unity. Why should Igbos didn't kick, Yorubans didn't kick, and you now you are kicking against it? So everything in Nigeria should favor North, and North should approve every law and everything before the thing will be applied. So when any tribe is feeling marginalized, provided that tribe is not from the North, no problem. No problem at all. You see what happened during protest, the last protest. Igbos did not protest, and the thing was not hot in Yoruba land. It was only not that their protest was very, very hot. Is it because the person that is ruling is not from the North? What? Tell me what we did not suffer during the time of Buhari. We suffer everything. He locked everybody inside a room. That's what he called lockdown during COVID-19. Without provision, you were dying for hunger inside your room. And after that, he organized what he called cashless policy.